So after the success of the Galaxy Z Fold 3, Samsung is doubtlessly working on a new version of its foldable phone for 2022. And based on a recently approved patent, the company could be considering a new look for the next edition of the best foldable phone. Let's Go Digital says that earlier this month, Samsung won approval from the World Intellectual Property Office for a patent that covers a foldable phone with an expanded screen size and a horizontal hinge. To help illustrate the look of such a device, the Dutch site created a concept render showing a Galaxy Z Fold with a horizontal hinge. The Galaxy Z Fold 3, like previous folds, uses a vertical hinge that allows you to open the phone like a book, revealing the interior display. A horizontal hinge would shift that orientation so that the device opens more like a flip phone, only with a Galaxy Z Fold-sized screen. The advantage of switching to a horizontal hinge seems like it would give Samsung the opportunity to boost the size of a future Galaxy Z Fold while maintaining the portability of the foldable phone. Samsung touts the Galaxy Z Fold as a productivity booster, and having a bigger screen might appeal to people who want to get things done on the go. When closed, the phone in the Let's Go Digital render offers what looks to be a square exterior display, another contrast from the 6.2-inch cover display on the Galaxy Z Fold 3. All this doesn't necessarily mean Samsung is eyeing this particular design for the Galaxy Z Fold 4, which you'd figure would come out in the latter half of 2022. Patents don't necessarily translate to finished products. Many such patents never result in products that see the light of day. Still, there's no denying that foldable phones are of increasing interest to Samsung. Last month, the company said that it sold 5 times the number of Galaxy Z Fold 3 units as it had the Galaxy Z Fold 2. And earlier this week, /Ear picked up a report of Korea that claimed Samsung expects to ship 10 million foldable phones next year. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 will make up 29% of the foldables Samsung produces, the report claims, while the successor the Galaxy Z Flip 3 will account for 68% of foldable phone production. Samsung currently dominates the market for foldable phones between the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Flip 3. No real competitor has emerged, and just this week, rumors surfaced that Google was scrapping plans for a Pixel Fold that would have gone up against Samsung's devices. For now, this is pretty much all the information that we could gather surrounding upcoming S-series, but we will make sure to keep you posted on the same. Thank you for watching the video. If you do like the information, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant news updates and in-depth reviews of the devices.